Good evening, friends. I hope you're okay. It has been quite a while since I posted the last video, but I'm back again. I hope you have all been doing good. Today, I want to show you a quick fix on how to fix the error that most people have been encountering, unable to get the macOS Sonoma latest update. I've been one of the victims. If you intend to upgrade from, let's say, macOS 14.0 to 14.1 or 14.2.1, I'm now using macOS Sonoma 14.0. So if I check for updates, let me go back. So as you know, the procedure to update your macOS changed. So you have to go to your system settings, then you go to the general. From the general, you go to the software and update section. Then it will start checking for updates. So let's give it a moment. I want to show you how to fix unable to find the latest version of macOS. For instance, the latest version as of now is macOS Sonoma version 14.2.1. But as you can see, mine says macOS Sonoma version 14.0. So, and it was last checked today at 8:48, and as you can see from the top bar menu, my time is 8:53. So it tells me a Mac is up to date, but in real sense it's not. Let me show you it's not by going to clean my Mac. And these are very good utility that you can use to fix issues with your Mac. Then let's go to the update. As you can see, the latest version of Mac is 14.2. You can see also here my version is 14.0 and the latest is, so it needs me to update. So to update it, at first I was kind of confused, not knowing what to do, because as you can see, if I go back to, let me start this so that you can see the entire process. If I go to system settings, and then I go under the general tab, and I click general, then software update. So let's give it time. It will just take a few minutes. We have turned off the automatic updates to see if it will work. As you can see, it gets to the same. My time is 8:55, and you can see it was last checked today at 8:55. It says is the latest version. My Mac is up to date, so I'll click check for updates. But as you can see, nothing will happen. So I'll close system settings. Then I've provided for you a link in the description. I'll provide this link in the description section. And see, it will pop up asking me to open App Store. Click open App Store. Let me minimize the browser to avoid cluttering my screen. Then I'll now click on get. As you can see here, the latest version is 14.2. So what I'll do is I'll click the get button. Let's see if it will work. There you go. As you can see now, I'm able to download. Are you sure you want to download macOS Sonoma version 14.2.1? Then I'll click yes, I want to do that. Download. So that's it. As you can see, I'm now downloading macOS Sonoma version 14.2.1, and basically it was not there. I tried all the fixes, it was not there. So I'll be providing the link in the description which you will be using. The link is from Apple, so you don't need to worry. As you can see, it goes to the App Store. You can see it's from Apple. Let me open my browser. As you can see, this is apple.com. I'll get back to you guys later on to show you how to update to macOS Sonoma version 14.2.1, but literally that is the process I use to get the latest update, that is macOS Sonoma version 14.2.1. So if you've been encountering the same issue, my advice is that you use the link I'll be providing in the description below. If not, if you cannot see the link in the description, just go to my Telegram channel. I'll post all the links and links to my articles there, so you can go check out the link. Then you'll also get your update. So that was basically it for today's video. It was a short guide. I hope you have a wonderful evening. Merry Christmas and a happy and prosperous 2024. See you in the next one. Peace out.